Question 7 of this exercise says a chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So basically we have to find the area of the segment that is in yellow. So to find that, what we will do, we will find the area of the sector OABC and we will find the area of triangle OAC and then we will subtract them. So let's do that. So to find the area of triangle OAC, we need the height OE and we need the base AC. So we'll draw a perpendicular OE from the center and it will bisect AC. So which means AE will equal to AC. Now in triangle AOE, we know that cos 60 degree equals to OE upon OA. And we know the value of cos 60, that is 1 by 2, and that equals to OE divided by, we know the value of OA, that is 12. So from here we'll get the value of OE, that is 6 centimeter. Also we know that sin 60 equals to AE upon OA. If we use sin 60 in the same triangle, that is AOE, so we know the value of sin 60, that is root 3 by 2, and that equals to AE divided by OA. We know the value of OA, that is 12. From here we'll get the value of AE. So from here we'll get the value of AE, that is 6 root 3 centimeter. And to find the value of AC, it is just double of that. So which means 2 into 6 into root 3, which is same as 12 root 3 centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle AOC, that is half into base, which is AC, into height, which is OE. So that is half multiplied by 12 root 3 multiplied by 6. So from here we'll get the area of triangle AOC, that is 62.28 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of sector OABC. We know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So we know the angle, that is 120, that is given in the question. So it will be 120 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi, which is same as 3.14, and r square, which is same as 12 square. So on solving this, we'll get the area of sector as 150.72 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of segment ABCA, that equals to 150.72 minus 62.28, and on solving this we'll get the area of segment as 88.44 square centimeter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.